welcome back to the Blue Collar Bartender. I'm Chris. Today we have a great holiday episode for you. We're making Irish cream. Now, how many of you at home enjoy Bailey's Irish cream? I know I do. How many of you enjoy not paying for Bailey's Irish cream? I know I didn't. Too expensive. I'm going to show you how to make homemade Irish cream from your house in 3 easy steps that takes 1 minute. Intrigued? I know I was. Let's get right into it. Now the ingredients. Heavy cream, condensed milk, chocolate syrup, instant coffee, Irish cream, and vanilla extract. Let's get right into it. Now this is all built in a blender. Let's use the cream first. Now we're using heavy cream. Milk won't cut it here, won't give that creamy texture that we need. We're gonna pour 1 ounce right into the blender. Now it is heavy, so always a good idea to rinse. All right, next step. We're using 1 whole can of condensed milk, sweetened. It's 14 ounces. That goes right into the blender, the whole thing. It is rich, creamy, so get a spoon and get it all out of there. Perfect. Now, looking for a chocolate syrup. 3 tablespoons. I use Hershey, the best. Now, we're using espresso powder. You can use any kind of instant coffee. I like the espresso. Offers a richer, bolder coffee flavor to this liqueur. We're using 1 teaspoon. Now, vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon. So that's all your ingredients, minus 1, the Irish whiskey. The key is to wait. So we're gonna cover the blender. We're gonna blend on low for 30 seconds. Now low is very important. All we try to do is blend and mix the ingredients real quick. If you do a high blend, it'll curdle, it'll be the wrong texture. So about 30. Then while it's blending, take your Irish whiskey and pour it right to the top. We're gonna do it 1 cup in 2/3. That's 1 2/3 cup. While it's blending, pull the top off and right to the top. Do that for about 3 seconds and then cut it off. That's it. Great texture. Now, choose your bottle of your choice. Today, I'm using a mason jar. You could pour it into an old booze bottle or wherever you have your house. Look at that. Perfect. Now this will yield about 1 liter. There you have homemade Irish cream. Now there's only 1 more step. Let's try it. Now this is better served over the rocks. I would prefer it. So I'm gonna do it. You can always add to your coffee, make cocktails. But today, we're gonna do it over the ice. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. Excellent. Rich, bold, creamy. You know what? It's better than Bailey's. I like doing as gifts to the house too. I like making those little small balls, filling them up and giving them as gifts. Put a bow on it. Be creative, enjoy. Happy holidays. Go home, make a batch for yourself. be safe. Well, if you liked this video, please subscribe and like the video. It does help a lot. Also, we're on Instagram at The Blue Collar Bartender. Thanks a lot. Have a happy and safe holiday. Bye.